Intelligent advice to improve your life with arthritis. Did you know that evidence of arthritis has been discovered in dinosaurs? While this fact may not make your elderly parent feel much better about their condition, there are plenty of helpful tips and tricks in this video. If you would like to know more about arthritis and ways that you can ease the effects, then watch this video. Even if you aren't currently experiencing an arthritis flare-up, adjust your motions to protect your joints. Taking care of joints that are symptom-free now, will lead to less pain later. Use good posture, use larger joints instead of smaller ones, and don't ever assume that even a small task is an acceptable risk. Stretch your symptom-free joints every day. A warm shower followed by a gentle stretching routine will cause you to feel looser for the rest of the day. Warm, loose muscles will cause less stress on your joints, which means that you will suffer from fewer flare-ups and less pain throughout your day. Ice packs or heat pads are great to relieve joint pain. Try to alternate when applying the warm and cold packs for better results. You should consult with your doctor for the best way to use heat and cold for soothing your pain. For people who suffer from arthritis in their hands or fingers, try wearing a hand brace. This is especially helpful for those who are on the computer often. These hand braces will help to keep joints in your hands and fingers supported, even when they are being used a lot. In conclusion, you have learned not only that arthritis has been affecting living beings, much longer than recorded history, but you also picked up a few ways that you can make it easier for you or your loved ones to live with the condition. Hopefully, you can start using this today and live a happier life. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.